If you're already tracking content like videos, downloads, and embedded gadgets as events, you can use the Events Flow report to see the actual order in which visitors trigger events on your site and see the popular paths taken from one event to the next. Group events into nodes based on categories, actions, and labels. The names and the numbers of groups you see in this report are based on your event tracking code. Events in this column were triggered first, followed by these events, and so on through the flow. Events triggered most frequently appear closer to the top of each column, and those triggered less often appear towards the bottom. In our event tracking code, we've organized videos and downloadable items into two different categories. So in this report, when we look at events grouped by category, we can easily see that more people engage with video than download an item as the first action they take on our site. By reorganizing the event groups to display category and action in the report, we can see the category video now split into two groups, one for the action play and another for the action skip. The more organized you are about setting up your categories, actions, and labels in the event tracking code, the easier it will be to read and interpret this flow report. For more information about a node, connection, or exit point in the report, hover over that section. At this node, for example, we can see that 80% of traffic that downloads setup guides go on to trigger other events, indicating these guides encourage deeper engagement with content on our site. Note that exits in this report don't necessarily indicate exits from the site, they only show that a traffic segment didn't trigger any other event. To follow traffic through multiple events, highlight that section of the report. Here, we can see that direct traffic triggers several events, but traffic going to this event first follows a consistent path through other events on the site. Grab and drag the screen to follow the traffic flow through more events and add and remove events as needed. Explore the traffic from a specific event for a closer look at just that segment. Like before, drag the screen to follow the flow and add or remove steps as you need to. You can easily focus on another event by changing the category. Using the Event Flow report, you can get a sense of what's popular and keeps visitors engaged with the content on your site.